I'm Jeon. My present topic is drink milk a good way to build strong bonds? Agenda, as you can see from this slide, introduction is drinking milk a good way to build strong bonds. How to strengthen your bonds? Conclusion. First, let me ask you a question. How would you think? What comes to mind first when people think about drinking milk? Probably they could say that drinking milk is crucially important for our bone, for our health. Right. Drinking milk is very important for our health, and calcium in drinking milk is a very important nutrient. Milk contains many essential nutrients. For example, calcium, vitamin D, protein. So according to National Dairy Council, calcium is very crucially important for our health and our bone, a strong bone. For example, if people drink just 250 milliliter milk, which can provide 30% of daily value of calcium. If so, we might have to drink milk every day. However, some researches shows that drinking milk is not a good way to build strong bones. They say no, milk consumption doesn't improve our bone density. I'm gonna show some reasons. First of all, fat, especially saturated fat, insulin, estrogen, or lactose, protein are very harmful for our health. Especially protein in milk accelerate our bone loss, calcium loss. In spite of there are lots of amount of calcium in milk. The next is sodium and vitamin D influence calcium balance and bone density. So protein, sodium, vitamin D can cause to increase calcium excretion in our body. Okay, moving on to my solution part, how to strengthen your bones. I'd like to focus on, first of all, is intake of fruit and vegetables, such as kale, broccoli, and beans, including orange juice, which can give the same amount of calcium. Next is exercise, which is one of the most effective way to build a strong strong bonds. And then, in order to obtain a vitamin D, instead of milk drink, sunlight is natural, the best natural important source. So, for example, just 5 to 15 minutes of sun exposure can be enough to increase vitamin D. It's very important. Yeah. Okay. Moving on to my conclusion part. I want to let's just think about advertising. As you know well, the power of advertising is very strong. That many customers tend to follow, and after all, purchase the product. Yeah, so yeah, the advertising is power is so strong. I want to take on example. For example, recently I heard from elementary school in Canada. They sing commercial songs. Teacher, I would like to try. Just like animal, just like animal. Yeah, that's my singing skill. So I mean that we could be deceived from advertising. So in conclusion, I believe that drinking milk is not a way to build strong bonds. Therefore, I almost don't drink milk, even though what I do is not good for dairy industry. Thank you for listening. That's my reference.
So what's behind all that? Okay, the power advertising.
Yeah.
But it's just a chain in the, it's a link in the chain. What's actually the root of it? Okay, science says that there is not much we can get from drinking milk, especially in terms of calcium, right?
Right.
Still, it is being advertised, it is being promoted. What's behind that? Why?
Yeah, they advertise and promotion is definitely have a definite to get money, which commercial profit. Yeah.
I guess we have to go into the politics.
Yeah, in politics.
Those
Yeah.
industries are
Yeah.
very strong.
Yeah.
And every law is lobbied in this case, it's the parliament.
Yeah,
Somebody
it's
promotes.
government
And if the industry,
yeah.
if the industry is strong,
Yeah.
which means there is a lot of money, huge budgets, and they can, cut some of the budget for the advertising and for lobbying in the parliament, because it's all about voting, the number of votes.
Yeah.
So unfortunately, even if the science says that it's not the case, what we hear from the TV. By the way, is there anything nutritious, good, useful in milk?
Yeah,
Do you think?
there are, I think that there are 9 essential nutrients in milk.
But definitely calcium is not the
Yeah.
crucial.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Who drinks milk here?
Every day or
Every day.
just regularly? No,
Okay, every day.
Almost.
Sometimes.
Almost.
It's
Who doesn't drink?